We'll guide you through how to pair Bluetooth on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've got a Bluetooth speaker, headphones, or another device you want to go and pair with your iPhone. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to go and get started, open your settings. Go down, find Bluetooth. Make sure that it's switched on. Now, what you need to do is we need to go and find our Bluetooth device. Turn it on. Of course, each device will be slightly different, but there's usually a power button on it. Then, once you've turned it on, you'll also need to go and put it into pairing mode. This means it's then visible in the Bluetooth list and we can pair it. So on this device, there's a Bluetooth button I just tap. However, on others, there may be a button you tap and hold, I found. Then it should go and appear in other devices we haven't connected before and we can tap on it. And as you can see, it then goes and connects. For some devices, you may need to go and enter a little code like on a keyboard, but that's it. You've now successfully gone and paired with it. And now when I play sound, it's going to go through it. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you with another how-to in the future.